October 18th, 2023. How's it going, guys? Well, I got another video for you. And what are we going to do? We're going to talk about Kansas City, Independence, Missouri. We're going to talk about crime, drugs, prostitution. And what I want to talk about right now is I posted a video not too long ago that KMBC 9 News posted early this morning about a lady that was found dead with trauma to her body. And last night, I was down here off Raytown Road in Blue Ridge, went up Snybar. I had to go down to the plaza down there to a college down there. And on the way back, this caught my eye. This lady was on Blue Ridge, close down by Raytown Road, but she was on Blue Ridge. She was basically, this would be on the east side, coming north on Blue Ridge. And it just looked strange. This gal, she looked like almost like she was like a zombie, like in a zombie state. She was fairly young. She didn't look wrinkled in the face or anything like that. But she was standing way off to the side, kind of at the edge of the road, but it was really dark. And I mean, if you weren't really watching, most people probably would have missed her. And I thought that was kind of weird. I'm going to show that. I got some footage of this. It's not perfect because, like I say, it was very dark and I had to lighten this up too. But you can see that there was a person that was standing there. It was a female, white female. So hold on, guys. Okay, guys. Now this is actually from the SD card. It's coming down Blue Ridge. I'm coming northbound back towards, I'm heading towards the stadium here. This would have been on the east side. I'm gonna bring my pin in here. And she was standing right here. Now I enhanced it with my phone too, so I want you guys to see this. And it was just really strange. This lady did have a jacket on. She was white. Hold on, let me get that. Just a second, guys, hold on. Okay, guys, that's about as best as I can do, but you can see she had her arms in her pockets there, that jacket, and she was standing there. Now, like I said, I got a lot of glare. This was very, very dark. I could run this through and show you guys that you can't even see this in the natural lighting that it caught. I had to increase massively to get this to light up so you could actually see her. But like I say, I don't know if this was the lady or not. KMBC 9 News didn't say what, if she was black, white, or whatever. But this lady, anyway, this lady, there was something wrong no matter what. Because she looked like she was in a zombie state. And she was just standing there. Very strange, guys. Anyway, keep your eyes open. And stay safe out there.